Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to contact QuickBooks Support. QuickBooks offers several ways to get help depending on your product, if you're using a QuickBooks Online, Desktop, or if you're self-employed. Now for QuickBooks Online, you want to log into QuickBooks Online's website and then click the question mark, that's the help icon in the top right, and then select search for something else, and you can just type in your specific issue. Scroll down and click contact us, and then you can choose chat or callback. For desktop version, you want to open the QuickBooks Desktop and then go to help, QuickBooks Desktop help, and then click contact us. Just enter your issue and select let's talk. You can choose chat or call me back. Now for other versions, you want to visit the QuickBooks community forums for peer advice. You can also follow QuickBooks Support on Twitter for quick responses. A pro tip is to have your company ID and subscription details ready before contacting for faster resolution. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.